Good morning, Daniel. How are things going?
I'm awesome, Mr. Gast. How is it going for you?
Could not complain. Do you have a little time? Can we talk?
Yeah, sure. Why do you want us to talk?
Maybe in my room. That will be more private. I don't want any tattle getting around.
Okay, let's go.
Please sit. I need to ask an interior architect to help me redecorate this boring room again. Do you know a good one?
Of course I do. I have a friend, and he has been working in the design field for more than 20 years. I can ask him to give you some advice.
Oh, great. I know I can count on you. So, give me his number later, okay?
Certainly. But is that why you call me here?
No. I want to talk to you about Eunice's issue. I heard some stories, and it was not what I expected. So, I would like to hear it from you.
Oh, about her? I understand. She was fired 2 weeks ago, Mrs. Scott. What do you want to know more about?
Why did you do that?
Well, first of all, she broke the company's rules so many times. She was not professional enough. It started with her fashion style. What should I say? It was kind of sloppy, and it was not suitable for the business environment.
Uh-huh. Really? Did you talk to her about that?
No, I'm a male and she's a female. How could I talk to her about clothing? No, I have not said anything about that yet.
So, did you ask any other female colleagues to help you with that?
Well, honestly, it was a sensitive problem. So, I just kept it silent and did not say it out loud.
I guess you need to encourage your employee to know about her weaknesses before you leave her out.
It was hard to say to somebody that they were untidy.
That's the problem you needed to face anyway.
But that was not the main reason why I conducted a layoff. Her work was not as effective as I expected. She was inattentive. She was wrong with the data multiple times, and I have to say it had a big impact on the overall work of the whole team.
Was that so? Could you show me some of her recent work? Right now, I want to have a look at them.
Yeah, let me get my laptop.
A few moments later.
Here are some of her tasks, and you can see that most of them are incomplete or overdue.
Okay, to be fair, I highly appreciate her effort. There were so many ideas that we could take from her proposal. Why didn't you send me this?
Oh, they weren't perfect for me, I guess.
You know about our working cultures already, man. We have to be open-minded and support new suggestions to make our product get better and better. I can see that you ignore most of Eunice's work, which is why they were submitted as incomplete.
Okay, thanks for your advice. I will think about that later, Mrs. Scott.
I believe that you know what to do. I knew Eunice very well. She was one of our workers since the very first day. She used to be a very hardworking and ambitious employee. But everything changed a little bit after her marriage.
Yeah, you are right. It seemed like she could not focus on working anymore, and her husband was not helpful at all. She had to pick up her daughter at school in the middle of working time. I have to emphasize that she went out for personal stuff without asking for permission.
You don't have to be so strict on that. Everyone has their own problems. If we could show some empathy to them, then why did we have to be so serious? I don't want to put pressure on anybody. That was just so stressful.
Yeah, I agree with you.
I also heard a rumor about you guys' relationship. Was it true?
What do you mean by that?
You need me to say it straight? Well, okay. Do you guys used to love each other?
Where did you hear that? No, we didn't.
You don't have to lie to me. The fact that I was not here frequently does not mean I did not know what things were happening.
That's were an old story, and I believe it had nothing to do with my decision.
I don't think so. You know what I thought?
No, what is it?
I thought you were trying to put it hard on Eunice because of your personal feelings. And it was not the right thing to do. I object to bullying at work. As a manager, you need to treat your employee impartially. Do you understand what I said?
I don't know. Maybe yes.
Come on, Eunice might change after she got married, but she is still working hard and putting her effort into her work. I can see that from her. There were numerous clients who wanted to work with her. And they were kind of shocked when they found out that she was fired.
Yeah, I admit that I did have some negative thoughts about her, and I did not treat her well. That made some other team member look down on her. She must be upset about that. I am sorry.
I'm not the one that you should say sorry to.
Wow, is it too late to apologize to her already? I mean, she left and...
No, she didn't. I called her to be here yesterday. Now she is outside. I want you to talk to her. Not here, but among your team. That's the right thing to do, buddy.
Is it difficult for me to do that? But I will give a try. Okay, let's go. Hi, Eunice. You are stunning. I'm so glad to see you again.
Hello, Daniel. Thanks for your compliment. I did not mean to see any of you again, but Mr. Scott insisted me to talk to you for the last time.
Yeah, I know. He talked to me too. Eunice, I know I treated you badly when we were still together. I mean, when we still work with each other. I know it is late now, but I'm deeply sorry. Could you forgive me?
Yeah, I accept your apology. Everyone can make mistakes sometime.
Great. So there is no more misunderstanding between you guys? Eunice, you can go back to work tomorrow. We miss you a lot.
Well, about that, I'm not sure I can come back to work.
Why? What happened?
Another company has invited me to work for them, and I said yes. I want to change my working environment for a period. Sorry.
Oh no, what a pity. What can we do to get you back? We don't want to lose you.
I would consider it if there was a promotion.
Right, a promotion. I am appointing you as a brand manager.
What? Now she's my boss?
Yeah, you messed it up and now I am trying to clean up your mess. You need to upset it, or you can quit the job. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. You're a liar. All you said about the right thing to do was just bullshit. I'm out here. Bye.